Yes, welcome to our online course. Today I want to show you an introduction to stick fighting and show you a little practice with some basic angles, how you can get started and practice by yourself. And then in our seminars and sessions we will work on this. So in order to get started, get a stick, get a place with enough space so you don't hurt anyone or your interior. And the way we started, we put it on the left side, we get ready, and the first move comes from down. Second move from above right, above left, same angle from below. The same we can do with the left hand. It's good for the brain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice. You can bring it again here. Relax, you start slowly, that the angles are nice. Then you can start it a little bit faster. Same with the left side, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then a little bit faster. Super nice tool. You combine it. Some basic attacks, and looking forward to see you in our sessions. Relax and not really. A little bit, yes. But also when I come, you want to go back. Maybe this is a tanga, so you don't want to be so close. So when I come, yes, you can even stand like this, and when it comes, 1, 2, 3. Now when I come, come a little bit closer. So when I hear, even if I start from here, it doesn't matter. You just improvise, no? Okay, again, so when I come from here, or if I sit here, but then you move.